Well, it's day 3 of this mess. Trying to get the motor to push back. I got a different hat today. Not sure if you can tell. Trying to avoid that sun. It's kind of bright coming in off those windshields of the cars parked out in front of the garage. But what we got going on, we're still trying to move the motor back. But as we move the motor back, we hit the clutch master cylinder. So we got to turn or replace the clutch master cylinder. We figured out the wires that turn on the AC now that we stripped all the other wires out that come from the computer and all that other garbage. So hopefully I'll have AC when this is all back together. We put in the new distributor. Don't know if you can see it back there. It's just a distributor with no cap yet because we're afraid we might break it when we push the motor back. And then we hope after we push the motor back we can get the cap on. A lot of ifs and variables going on right now. But we're going to get back at it and I'll give you another update later.